So this is what I'm going to try to print next. This is a custom design for a client who wanted Ling Lingo earrings. And they want them in gold and are a bit on a budget. So I made this hollow design with this hexagon lattice on one side, and the other side is just a wall. And the cool thing about this is you can actually see the different print layers and what it's going to look like. So this is the beginning layers, and then the supports start, and then the actual item, and you can kind of see it's hollow. So this is how the printer will actually build the plate. Okay, there they are. So I need to give them a big clean, and then I'm going to put them in the curing chamber to harden them up. But yeah, they look like they turned out perfect. Okay, here's a closer look at my print. So these are little Ling Lingos with hexagon lattice on the back. The other side is solid. And these are actually a prototype for earrings, custom earrings I'm making for a client. And I printed 3 different sizes so that I could get basically I'm going to weigh these and get a cost estimate for my client. And I did 3 different sizes because I wanted 3 different options for pricing, essentially.